Hello James, welcome back to another video of the strategy series. First of all, thank you very much for 500 subscribers. It really means a lot to me and my heart goes to each one of you who has been a part of this journey. Then coming back to today's video, your BITSAT exams are around the corner and exam fear will be at its peak. So here are a few tips for you that will help you overcome your exam fear. So the key tip over here is to stick to your routine. Now some of you might have been putting in efforts from the very beginning, while some of you might have joined the journey somewhere in between, but realize that you have been putting in efforts for a very long time now, and panicking around this time will only spoil it. So stick to your routine, get things done, and that will keep you productive and keep you away from all kinds of stress and anxiety. Now to get things done, you'll have to organize them well. So whenever you wake up, you might have 10 things on your head, but the first thing that you need to do is to write them down. Okay, take a piece of paper, write those 10 things down. I will suppose the list is like, I will revise the formula of physics, I will do this chapter, I will revise this chapter today, okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, now you might consider to slash out certain things from that list so as to shorten it and reduce your burden for the day. You might consider doing them tomorrow as well. Okay, so you may slash out certain things. Suppose the list now becomes 7 things long. Okay, now you have to focus on those 7 things for the day. Your task is to complete those 7 things for the day, and when you're doing the first thing, don't worry about the rest 6 things. Okay, you just have to do one thing at a time. Okay, if you worry about the next things, you will not do the first thing properly. Okay, so one thing at a time, well organize it, and one thing at a time. Okay, so those are the tips. Also in well organizing, I would say you must give at least one mock test per week. Try to give one mock test per week. If you're giving two, good for you. Okay, but at least try to give one mock test per week. Exclusively give one day for mock test in a week. Okay, so those are the tips. Some general tips would be to eat well, sleep well. Okay, don't push yourself too hard around this time. You'll just make yourself sick. Believe me, you don't require time now, you just require focus in the time that you have. Okay, so that is all you need, and y is equal to x square on face as you are doing some problems. Okay, don't take burden, just smile as you are doing some problems. Okay, yeah, that's all what I wanted to share in this video. So just a small announcement before we wrap up with this video. So I may come to BITS Goa on 2nd of July, that is your exam day, to capture your exam reactions and interview some of you. I will be more than happy to meet some of you over there. So do let me know in the comment section if your test center is BITS Goa, and do let me know the shift timing so that I can plan accordingly when to come. Okay, so yes, that's all from today's video. Hope to see you there at BITS Goa, and happy strategizing.